Ahoy there, future and current mariners. Welcome back to our series on mastering modern navigation. Today, we read diving deep into the heart of the digital bridge, the Electronic Chart Display and Information System, or ECDIS. What exactly makes this piece of tech so indispensable? Let's unravel its core functions and understand why it's more than just a fancy GPS. At its essence, ECDIS is a sophisticated integration hub. Think of it as the brain of the ship's navigation system. It doesn't just show a map, it pulls together a massive amount of real-time data from various sensors to create a complete, dynamic picture of your vessel's situation. First and foremost, it takes your position from the GPS or, more broadly, the Global Navigation Satellite System, GNSS. This gives you that precise "you are here" dot on the map. But a ship isn't just a dot, it's a moving vessel with direction and momentum. That's where the gyro compass comes in. It feeds the ECDIS with your ship's heading, telling you exactly which direction the bow is pointed. This is crucial for steering and maintaining your course. Then, you have the speed log, which measures your vessel's speed through the water. This data, combined with speed over ground from the GPS, helps the ECDIS calculate your estimated time of arrival and make precise course adjustments. It's the difference between knowing where you are and knowing where you're going and how fast you'll get there. But modern navigation isn't just about your own ship. It's about being aware of everything around you. This is where ECDIS truly shines as a situational awareness tool. It integrates data from your eyes, the automatic identification system. This means you can see other vessels on your screen, not just as blips, but as identified targets with their name, course, speed, and other vital information. It's like having a social network for ships, helping you anticipate their movements and avoid collisions long before they become a close quarters situation. And what about seeing things that don't transmit an eye's signal, like small boats, buoys, or even coastlines in poor visibility? That's where the radar overlay comes in. ECDIS can superimpose the radar image directly onto the electronic chart. This function, often using ARPA or automatic radar plotting aid targets, lets you cross-reference what the radar sees with what the chart knows. Is that blip on the radar a known rock, or is it a small fishing boat? With the overlay, you can tell in an instant. This fusion of chart and radar data is a massive leap forward in navigational safety. Of course, navigation isn't just about what's on the surface. What's underneath is just as important, if not more so. The Echo Sounder provides real-time depth information directly to the ECDIS. This data is continuously compared against the charted depths, giving you an immediate warning if you're re-entering water that is shallower than expected or approaching your safety limits. It's a constant, automated check against the risk of grounding. All this incredible sensor data is displayed on the foundation of the ECDIS, the electronic chart itself. These aren't just any digital maps, they are official electronic navigational charts, or ENCs. The most common standard for these is S57, with the next generation, S101, on the horizon. These are vector charts, meaning they are intelligent databases of information, not just static pictures. You can click on any object, a buoy, a lighthouse, a restricted area to get detailed information about it. These charts are produced by National Hydrographic Offices, the same authorities that make paper charts, ensuring they are accurate and reliable for safe navigation. So, we have all this data flowing into one system. How does the ECDIS actually use it to help us? This brings us to its primary functions, the real doing part of the system. First up is route planning. Before you even cast off, you can sit down at the ECDIS and digitally draw your intended voyage from port to port. You can create waypoints, define turn radiuses, and set cross-track distances. The system allows you to build a comprehensive passage plan with incredible detail. But it's not just about drawing lines on a map. During the planning phase, the ECDIS performs an automated route check. It scans your entire planned route against the chart database and your ship's specific parameters, like its draft. It will automatically flag any potential dangers, areas with insufficient depth, prohibited zones, navigation hazards, and more. This proactive safety check is a game changer, allowing you to identify and fix potential problems in port rather than discovering them at sea when you're already in a tight spot. You can adjust your route until the system gives you the all-clear, ensuring your passage plan is as safe as possible from the outset. Once the voyage begins, the ECDIS switches to its second primary function, route monitoring. This is where the system truly comes alive. It continuously tracks your ship's position relative to the planned route. Are you on track? Are you drifting off course due to wind or current? The ECDIS displays all of this visually and can provide alerts if you deviate beyond your set limits. It's your ever-vigilant co-navigator constantly checking your progress. It also looks ahead on your route, giving you advance warnings of upcoming turns, critical points, or dangers, so you have ample time to prepare. Perhaps the most critical function of ECDIS is its role as a safety sentinel. This is achieved through its sophisticated alarm and indication system. We've already mentioned the grounding alarm, which is a big one. You set a safety contour or a safety depth based on your ship S-draft and a desired safety margin. If the ECDIS predicts that your ship will cross this contour, it will sound an alarm, giving you precious time to react. This isn't just about the water directly beneath you. It uses a look-ahead function to anticipate dangers. It will also alarm for approaching special areas, like traffic separation schemes or environmentally sensitive zones, ensuring you comply with all regulations. These alarms are not just annoying beeps, they are crucial, life-saving features that prevent human error from turning into disaster. Now, a chart is only as good as its most recent update. In the days of paper charts, this meant painstakingly correcting charts by hand with a pen and glue, a process that took hours and was prone to error. This is another area where ECDIS revolutionizes the process. The fourth key function is chart updating and validation. Updates are delivered digitally, often via satellite or email. The ECDIS can then automatically apply these updates to its chart database. This ensures you are always navigating with the latest, most accurate information available from hydrographic offices. The system also keeps a log of all updates, making it easy to verify that your charts are current, which is a major requirement for port state control inspections. This automated process saves enormous amounts of time and drastically reduces the risk of navigating with outdated information. Finally, the fifth core function is the management of information layers. As we discussed, an ENC is an intelligent database. ECDIS allows you to customize how this information is presented. You can turn different layers of information on or off to reduce clutter and focus on what is most relevant to your current situation. For example, during open ocean passage, you might use a simplified display. As you approach a busy port, you can turn on more layers, showing detailed voyage, anchorage areas, pilot stations, and VTS reporting points. You can overlay tidal information, currents, and even weather forecasts. This ability to tailor the display to the specific navigational context makes the ECDIS an incredibly flexible and powerful tool. It's all about providing the right information at the right time to support the navigator's decision-making process. So, let's recap. ECDIS isn't just a map. It's an intelligent system that integrates data from GPS, gyro, speed log, eyes, radar, and echo sounder. It displays this on official, up-to-date electronic charts. Its primary functions: route planning with automated safety checks, continuous route monitoring, a robust alarm system to prevent grounding and other hazards, seamless chart updating, and customizable information layers all work together. The goal is to enhance situational awareness, reduce the navigator's workload, and most importantly, dramatically improve the safety of navigation. By understanding these core functions, you well on your way to becoming a proficient and confident user of this essential piece of bridge technology. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into ECDIS. I hope this gives you a clearer picture of what is happening inside that box on the bridge. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content on maritime technology and navigation. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.